My kitchen sink has a problem. The faucet on it is super loose. It keeps moving around. Whenever I move this, the base of it moves. It's not going to take much to fix it. All I need to do is to get underneath the sink. Down in here. This is what it looks like underneath my sink. So this nut here is what holds the faucet down snug against the sink up the top. So I'm just going to get my hand on it, tighten it. The sink is made of pretty thin material, so I don't want to over tighten it, but luckily it's made of plastic here. Unfortunately, there should be a big washer around here to spread the load, spread the force, but it's not there. So I'm just going to snug this up, and that should do it actually. Yours might be slightly different, but yeah, they basically have the same process. There's a nut under there, tighten that up, and that'll stop your faucet from moving. Thanks for watching the video. Check out others from Lasting Repairs.